Okay guys, morning. Apa kereta ni? Fui yo, tengok merah merecik. Wow. Ada orang suruh saya cakap macam ni. Oi yo, ini kereta James Bond ni. Jangan main-main ni. Nampak? Siapa tahu kereta, apa nama kereta ni? Bagi komen kat bawah. Jaguar F-Type P300. Memang cantik, memang molek. Inilah kereta James Bond ala British. Okay, very nice car. Let's take a look at the specs before we go around the car. Jom. Okay, this is a Jaguar F-Type. It comes with a 2-liter engine, 300 PS, 400 Newton meters. The engine is called Ingenium engine, same with the XEXF. 8-speed transmission. There is a lane departure warning, dynamic mode, 6 airbags, 10-inch touchscreen, a Meridian sound system. The color of this car is called Caldera Red. Okay, and here are some of the options. Ini adalah option. Okay, nak panoramic roof, 20-inch wheels, 12-way electrical seats, climate control, ambient lighting. Okay, apa harga dia? Ini harga dia. Tak mahal. Kereta yang begitu cantik dan unik tidak mahal. Okay, look at the car. Just look at the car. So beautiful. Awesome car. So let's take a look. Look at the lights. This is a bi-function HID lights. Don't play. Jangan main-main. Dia very nice engineering. Beautiful. Okay, this is the front. Ini bahagian depan. Okay, I will just zoom out. I can see. Very nice. Look at those grills. Dia punya grill. Memang cantik. Okay, there is a, what do you call it? There's a chrome bits, and then inside there's the piano black. So nice. Look at the bottom. Look at the splitter. So beautiful. So nice. Begitu cantik sekali. Ini adalah tire option. These are optional tires, optional wheels, a 20-inch. Very nice. Okay, this is a clamshell hood. If you can see, this is a clamshell hood. The hood comes down. It will either open this way or the other way, but it's a clamshell. Look at the top. You have some air breathers here. On the other side, same. Look at the Jaguar emblem in chrome. This is just a beautiful car. Okay, let's enjoy for a moment. Memang cantik. Okay, tengok belakang. Ini belakang dia. Jangan main-main ni. Okay, belakang dia very wide stance. Sangat lebar. Macam Ferrari, macam Lamborghini. Sangat lebar. Tengok tayar dia. Look at the tires, boys. Really wide tires. Exhaust in the middle. Exhaust dia dekat tengah. Okay, let's go back to. Okay, cantik sekali. Mari kita tengok exhaust dia. Exhaust dia dekat tengah. Memang besar. Look, ini tangan saya. Tangan saya setengah saja. 1, 2, 3. 3 tangan. Masuk tangan boleh, tangan boleh masuk. Jangan kawal stick of truth, hand of truth, leg of truth pun boleh. Okay, the reverse lights are at the bottom. Very nice. Very nice shoulders. Just like the 911, like a Porsche 911. This has got their own lines at the side here. Very broad shoulder and very strong back. Very strong back. Very nice. Sangat cantik. Okay, jom kita tengok. Look at the Look at the door handles. Oh yo. Jangan main-main ni. Inilah kereta idaman. Okay, frameless door. These are pure leather, very soft leather, and more soft leather. Okay. Oh, the door handles. Ooh, boy, big. Mega big. Okay, the seat adjustments are all here. These are your memory seats. Lock, unlock. Oh, setting chrome. Setting chrome. Memang cantik. The buttons. Butang-butang dia. Memang bagus. Look at the door sills. Cik. Okay, you get bucket seats. Look at how slim the seat is. Tengok begitu nipis sekali tempat duduk dia. These are all very nice. Not sure if it's carbon fiber. It's very nice seats. Okay. This is the cockpit. Kita tengok cockpit dia. Cantik lah. Very nice. Let's get inside. Okay, tengok kita adjust seat dia ke belakang adjust dari mana? Adjust dari sini lah. The seat controls are here. Very nice. Awesome. Let's go inside. Okay guys, this is the interior of the Jaguar F-Type. Just look at the steering wheel. Very fine and lush leather wrap steering. Okay, look at the multifunction. You get all your Bluetooth connectivity, and on this part you get your cruise control. Very nice Jaguar. Very nice setting chrome. This part is also setting chrome. Very nice. Okay, ini meter dia. Tengok meter dia. Kita tutup pintu. Begitu senyap sekali. Ini meter dia. Okay, analog. Ada MID kat tengah multi information display. Ini adalah dia punya gear. Begitu mewah sekali. Electronic parking brake. Your drive mode. Sport, wet, snowy and whatever not. Okay, very nice. This is your volume for your radio. Start engine. Tengok. Berkelip-kelip. Inilah gaya. Begitu cantik sekali. The knobs are all high quality. Very high quality. Very nice to the touch. And this, look at the buttons. Very nice. Okay, this part, look at the design language of the car. It's curved down. Okay, there is a grab handle here. Very nice grab handles. Okay, look at this. This is for you to open your... there's luxury, boys. Okay, felt carpet ada carpet kat dalam. Memang mewah. Okay, this part for the seat is Alcantara. And then there's leather bolster at the side. Meridian speakers at the doors. Very nice. This car comes with a panoramic moonroof. Yahoo! Very nice. Very classy. Look at the sunshade. Very mini sunshade. Kita ni dia pendek sikit. So sunshade is very slim. Okay guys, please press subscribe. I really work very hard for you guys. Please press like if you have already subscribed. Please share with your friends. If you have anybody around you, just grab their phone now. Go to I Love Melaka Cars. Watch the video for 10 seconds. Click subscribe. Thank you very much. Look at the sunshade. Okay, there is no, what do you call that? No mirrors lah. Look at the borderless. Okay, hang on. Okay guys, just look at the borderless rearview mirror. Very nice. So here, this is the back again. Tengok dia punya seat. Begitu nipis sekali. Very slim seat. Okay, this is the back of the car. There is no second row. There's only seat for 2 person. There's even an airbag here. Okay, there's an airbag here. There's an airbag here. There's an airbag here. This is a very safe car. Okay, kereta yang begitu selamat sekali. Airbag merata-rata. Begitu cantik sekali. So jom kita tengok sama ada boleh buka boot atau tidak. Okay guys, ini dia, boot sudah dibuka. Kita tengok Let's look at the space. How much space do you have? Okay, do you lift this up? Yes, you can lift this up. Okay, this is the space that you get. You can put a 28-inch luggage bag inside, no problems. I think this is your spare tire. Oh, this is your spare tire. Okay, this is your spare tire. So you may not be able to put your big bags. If that is the case, you can only put 2 cabin bags. Yeah, you can still fit 2 cabin bags inside. Okay, there is 2 lights here, and then you get a close lah. Okay, this is a auto power boot. Look, fuya, jangan main-main. Memang cantik, memang mengancam. Okay, so this is the Jaguar F-Type P300. Okay, datang dengan tayar Pirelli P0. Okay, Pirelli P0. Apa size dia? 295 30 20 ZR20. Very very nice two-tone rims. Very very awesome. Tengok Jaguar, jangan main-main, garang. Brrr. Look at this. I like this very very much. Okay, look. Yeah, look at that beautiful silhouette of the car. Okay, if you're bored with looking at Porsches, Lamborghini, Ferrari, all the common McLaren cars, you should buy this. This is a F-Type. It's something different. Not many people would have. Semua orang akan tanya, abang, kereta apa ni? Kau beli Ferrari, Lamborghini, mahal-mahal, Porsche. Semua orang dah tahu dah. Kereta ni kau bawa, orang tak kenal. Okay? Jangan lupa like, share, subscribe. Kita jumpa lagi. Bye-bye.